Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to join the ShareASale affiliate program. So here we are at the website of ShareASale. We go up to the sign up button and we click on affiliate sign up. So from here on you create a user. My username is already used. So let's say Yuri YouTube. Let's try this one. Here we are, it's loading the interface and I have to complete a getcha for now. So verify that I'm a human. So we click on that button, verify. So here you fill in your website URL. So fill in your website right here. I use my YouTube channel. It identifies my business. Let's say multiple languages, including English, because YouTube has multiple languages. And here we click on no. It doesn't contain adult content. No. Are you an advertising network or affiliate network? No. So if you have anything yes on here, then you have to say yes. Do you display advertisement on sites that you don't own? Well, it's not my advertisement, so I guess not. So let's click on step 3. Always check which one you have to say no and yes. Let's use this one for now. And then we go to step 4. So here we are in step 4. Here you have to fill in all your contact information. So I'm going to do that now and come back to you. So now I have filled in everything. Let's go to the next step. But before, is it an incentive website? So an incentive program is a website that reward visitors for performing actions. Well, that is not the case for me, I think. But let's say unsure for now because I'm not sure how YouTube does this. And can you own the domain? No, I don't own the domain because that's from YouTube for me, in my case. Always check your own case. So now we're at the last step. So in this last step, you have to fill in your payment information, or you can do it later. So the payments are made on every 20th of every month. You can choose your payment after sign up, and also you can change your payment when you got accepted. So the payment options are a direct bank deposit. It's the fastest way. It takes 1 to 2 business days. You can do it through postal service, 5 to 6 business days, and you can do it through Federal Express. But you need $50 minimum in affiliate commissions to get paid out to receive your payment. But let's choose for now, choose later. So complete your sign up. And here you have the user terms of agreement. Always read this. I recommend doing it. I have already read it, so I'm going to agree to the above terms. And I also verify that sign up information that I provided is accurate to the best of my knowledge. So always fill in with full truth. Check this, and then you can complete your sign up. So here you go. It takes 5 to 7 business days to get accepted or not before knowing. So let's wait for that, and that's how it works. So now you have filled in and you can join the affiliate program of ShareASale. If you have any questions, please type them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.